Welcome everybody. In this video I will show you how to install OpenClaw with the newest DeepSeek V4 Pro. Let's go. First we just copy paste this one line of text to terminal and the OpenClaw will be installing. So now OpenClaw is asking us if we accept this is for personal use, simply talking about the risks. We just say yes and continue. And right now I'm choosing Quickstart because I'll be using DeepSeek provider. Right now at this moment in time, right before release, the Pro version is only on DeepSeek own provider. On Olama, for example, right now you have only Flash version, which is good for sub-agents, but not for the main orchestrator we'll be using here. So I'm just choosing Quickstart right now. So it asks me about provider and the key. So as we discussed, I will choose DeepSeek provider. And it's asking me for the key for the provider. So let me get it. I just made new key. Don't worry, I will delete this key after this video. So I will just copy it and I will paste it right there. And continue. As you see, by default, OpenClaw is choosing a version 4 Flash, but you want to a version Pro as orchestrator. So I will, after the model load, I will switch it to Pro, just right here, Pro, and I'm waiting for installation. Just like this, it's asking me for channels I want to use. For now, I simply will not be using any of those channels because we are testing installation with DeepSeek. So let's simply skip for now. And now it is asking me for the search provider. I will just skip it for now. If I want to configure some skills, let's do it. I will use CLO Hub, which is important for you to go get those skills, but just be mindful because you need to test the skill first and be mindful that some of those may not be very safe. So for now, I will just use this one and maybe Obsidian for the storage of memories. And Open AI Whisper is very good, can be local speech to text, sometimes it's needed. I think for now we are good. Show home install command we want, yes. npm, yes, no. Skip for now. Let's hatch in the terminal. And now let's test it. Hey, we have installed OpenClaw with DeepSeek 4. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to the channel, and I have free Skool community with entire courses about Hermes, about OpenClaw, Cloud Code, and other business and marketing related courses. So go there. The link to the free Skool community is below this video. Thank you guys and see you next video and inside the Skool community. Take care guys. Bye bye.